Hey, what is going on YouTube? My name is Murdoch and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the power up button icon. The first thing you're going to want to do is draw a perfect circle with a slightly smaller circle on the inside. Once you've done that, erase a small gap at the top of your circles. Now that that's done, round the edges of your circle. Now it's time for you to draw the line at the top of the power button. Measure out how long and wide you want it to be, then draw it. Now all that's left to do is to color it in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit like. If you're new here, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.